Warrior, have you ever wondered why some men break while others become untouchable? Why one heartbreak destroys a man, but another forges him into steel? Listen closely, warrior, because once a man truly understands this one truth, the entire game changes. Not just with women, but with life itself. This isn't about revenge, it's about awakening. And when you awaken, they lose their power over you. At first, you chase, you crave validation. You think love means proving your worth. But the Stoics warned us, he who depends on another for happiness is a slave, Epictetus. And you, warrior, were never born to be a slave. You were born to lead your mind, not surrender it.
Then comes the silence, the unanswered messages, the slow withdrawal that feels like a dagger twisting in your chest. You feel replaced, forgotten. But this is not your destruction, it's your purification. Pain isn't punishment, it's the fire that forges men of truth. As Marcus Aurelius said, what stands in the way becomes the way. Let it burn and rise stronger.
One morning, you wake up different. You stop asking, why her, and start asking, why me? You realize you were giving your energy to someone who never earned it. You see the illusion fade. The pedestal shatters. You finally understand. You don't chase. You don't beg. You don't prove. You become. So remember this, warrior. Once you master your emotions, once you detach from approval, once you find peace in solitude, no woman can manipulate you. No rejection can break you. No loss can define you. Because the man who owns himself owns the world. If you're ready to rise above the illusions, comment "Awakened" below. And if this message hit your soul, warrior, like, subscribe, and turn the bell on. Because the path to mastery begins here.